Hello and welcome back to English with Confidence. How to speak English easily, motivational style. 1. Start with simple sentences. Don't try to speak big or difficult English words in the beginning. Example: I can do it. I will try again. My hard work will pay off. Use daily motivational phrases. Repeat small motivational lines daily. ये आपके speaking practice में मदद करेगा. Example: Never give up. Success takes time. Every day is a new chance. 3. Practice with mirror speaking. खुद को मिरर में देखकर रोज 2-5 मिनट motivational lines बोलें. Example: Today is my day. I am strong. I will not stop until I achieve my goal. 4. Listen copy. Motivational speakers को सुनो YouTube podcast और उनके टोन को कॉपी करो. जैसे टोनी रॉबिन्स, जय शक्ति, simple words plus strong words. 5. Make your own small speeches. छोटे छोटे motivational talks खुद से बनाओ. Example: 30 seconds speech. Life is not easy, but I am stronger than my problems. I will fight, I will rise, and I will win. Daily 5 sentences, motivation plus English practice. 1. I believe in myself. 2. My hard work will create my future. 3. Failure is not the end, it is a lesson. 4. Every day I am improving. 5. One day my struggle will become my success.